Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Page. Today, let us look at NFT collaborations and partnerships, forging new frontiers in the digital arts. 1. Introduction. Redefining digital ownership, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have revolutionized the art world by providing a secure and verifiable way to represent ownership of digital assets. Collaborations and partnerships in the NFT space bring together artists, brands, and technology to create unique and innovative experiences. 2. Artist collaboration. Renowned traditional and digital artists often collaborate on NFT projects, merging their distinctive styles and audiences. This can result in exclusive NFT drops that showcase a fusion of creative visions. 3. Brand partnerships. Brands embracing NFTs, established brands across industries, from fashion to gaming, are exploring NFT collaborations. These partnerships may involve creating limited edition digital assets, or integrating NFTs into brand campaigns to enhance engagement. 4. NFT marketplaces and platforms. Partnerships between platforms. NFT marketplaces often collaborate with artists and brands to host exclusive drops. These collaborations drive traffic to the platforms and provide exposure to a broader audience. 5. Gaming and NFTs. Virtual assets and in-game NFTs. Gaming companies are partnering with NFT platforms to tokenize in-game assets, enabling players to truly own and trade virtual items. Collaborations enhance the gaming experience and introduce new economic models. 6. Celebrity collaborations. Celebrities launching NFTs. Celebrities from various fields, including sports, film, and social media, are collaborating with NFT platforms to release exclusive digital collectibles, memorabilia, and even personal moments tokenized as NFTs. 7. Digital fashion and wearables. NFTs in fashion. Fashion designers are collaborating with digital artists to create virtual wearables and accessories as NFTs. These items can be owned, traded, and showcased in virtual worlds or augmented reality. 8. Educational collaborations. NFTs in education. Collaborations between NFT platforms and educational institutions are exploring ways to use NFTs in digital education, certification, and academic achievements. 9. Metaverse development. Building the metaverse. Collaborations aim to develop the metaverse by combining efforts in virtual reality, blockchain, and NFTs. These partnerships work towards creating immersive digital environments. 10. Social impact and charity. NFTs for good. Collaborations between artists, platforms, and charitable organizations leverage NFTs for fundraising and awareness campaigns, demonstrating the potential for positive social impact. 11. Future trends. Cross-chain NFTs. Collaboration between different blockchain networks to enable cross-chain NFT transfers and interactions. Integration with Web 3.0. Exploring collaborations that align with the vision of the decentralized and user-centric Internet, Web 3.0. 12. Conclusion. Collaborations and partnerships in the NFT space continue to drive innovation, opening up new possibilities for artists, brands, and creators. As the NFT ecosystem evolves, these collaborations will likely play a crucial role in shaping the future of digital ownership, creativity, and community engagement.